Hey viewers, it's MBFTT 9. I mean, I don't know why I'm here. There's no elimination. I guess we'll just go straight to the challenge. Alright, today's challenge is capture the marble. It's basically capture the flag, but we don't have any flags. So we're using these here marbles. Each of the teams are gonna have to get 2 marbles of their own to defend with their life. The other team's gonna come steal their marbles and bring it back to base. The first team that has both of their marbles stolen is up for elimination. And not go yet. I have to give the team some marbles.
Hey, I wonder when the challenge is gonna start. Do you even know if there's gonna be a challenge? What if it's the same as yesterday? That would be very sad.
Well, luckily, it's not. Today's challenge is capture the marble.
What?
It sounds a little weird, but just pick 2 marbles, any 2 marbles.
Ooh, I got this one. I also wanna pick. No. Oh, okay.
Hey, Squidiggly, let him pick.
No.
Oh, come on, Squidiggly. Really?
Yeah, Squidiggly. Really? No one has to watch.
Why are you being so mean?
I just really want to pick my marbles. Yay! I want this one. And I also want this one.
And as for you guys, pick away.
Wonder which ones we should pick.
Yeah, I wonder too. Do you know where Rock is? Oh, yeah, I'm just gonna grab this one. It blends in really nicely with the surroundings.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Wonder what I should get.
Hey, well, I'm gonna go let Rock know. Maybe he will pick his. Hey, what are you doing? Ugh. Hey, what was that for, Bubbles? Listen, I know that we were mean to Rock, but now I feel bad. We gotta let him pick something. Come on, please? Okay. Hey, Rock, I don't even want to hear it. Whatever you have to say to me won't matter. I was just gonna bring you this marble. I don't care about any marbles. Just leave me alone. Okay. Keep this safe, Rock. I trust you. And with those 2 teams having severe internal conflicts, go!
So guys, who's gonna go on the offensive?
Why don't you do it?
No, I need to watch over my babies.
Okay.
You want to do?
No, thanks. I'm not a very offensive person.
Do it.
No, Squidiggly, you're getting too mean. You're on a power... thing. I don't like it. I'm gonna go tell Gilbert.
I'm not going to be offensive either. I'm just sad. You guys are useless.
Gilbert! How dare you say such a thing? Who will let you get like this? Oh, that was probably me. Oh, anyway. Yeah. Gilbert, you need to stop.
Why should I? I'm better than you all. All you guys do is lay on the floor and be timid.
Well, I mean, isn't that what we've always had going? In the aquatic animals, we were really, really weird, all too strange, yeah. And I said, right, Squiddiggly? And you had a seizure or something, I don't remember. But anyway, listen, being special is what makes us special. Just because we're not good in some categories doesn't mean we're not good.
Listen, man, I'm getting very, very smart. I'm getting 3 brain cells by the second, and I can clearly see you guys are no match for me. So, you guys go do the dirty work, and I will watch over my babies.
No, you do not get to rule this team.
And who gives you that authority?
I do.
I can't really fight with that. Okay.
Okay. Anyway, Gilbert, go on the offensive. Go have a seizure on them or something.
Absolutely not. I'm defending my babies. You!
Okay.
I'm still sad. Hey, you know what, fish? It's Fosh. But what? I don't like you. You're stupid. You do nothing. I don't think you should be here. That makes Fosh sad.
What did you just do to Fosh?
Nothing.
Oh, okay. Come with me, Fosh.
Well, my babies.
Hey, calculator.
Yeah?
Hey, can you... Listen, man, I'm just here to support Rock. You guys are not treating him right, whether you think you are or not. My only goal is to support Rock, and that is the only reason I came here. You guys can govern yourselves. Obviously, you can't be governed by Rock at this point.
Oh, gosh. Hey, jellyfish.
Yeah? Oh, I guess we're gonna have to go on the offensive.
No, don't worry. I'll just do it myself, yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is not gonna go well. Ow!
Oh, hey. Long time no see. So, I mean, I know we're friends and all, but if you could please lend me that marble of yours? So I'm gonna assume that's a no, but I'm just gonna take it, and there's not much you can do. Oh!
I'm gonna do the same thing, except I'm small.
Hey, Rock, you okay?
Who is it?
Oh, hi. Dude, you okay?
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Listen, I know about your friends. I joined this team to support you.
Why?
I'm not much of a help. You're honestly one of the best team leaders that I know, and the best competitor. If anyone deserves to win at this point, it's you. You've suffered the most, and you deserve to win the most. Thanks, but this isn't the last challenge. The one that we had to compliment Mushroom. Listen, man, it's not an empty-hearted compliment. I really mean it. Thanks. But I'll need a second before I can really be supported. I get you. But I'll be here if you need me. Thanks, man.
My
Listen, dude, you're not your...
Don't even.
Okay. The other two haven't returned yet. I'm gonna go. Hopefully I can snag one of the marbles without them seeing.
Oh, take this. It's a baby or something. What? Ooh, I like the baby. Do not touch my baby. Don't even. No! Okay, all good. I'll just take this here baby. My babies. My babies. No!
Oh, sorry about that, Rock. I almost feel a little bad for... yeah, I'm not gonna take your marble. You're okay. Alexa, turn my dogs off. I managed to snag this marble while Squidiggly wasn't looking. I'll just give this to you, I guess. Hope you get better soon. I feel your pain. Grr. La 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 la, what a beautiful day.
Mushroom!
Oh, yeah, what is it, remote?
You have to stop this. This is getting out of control. 3 people are dead. So?
No one's died here before, so I get that would be kind of a scare. Who died?
It was Gilbert, Jellyfish, and...
Dude, just spit it out. What?
You told me to spit it out. I didn't have anything to say.
Just tell me their name.
I don't remember.
It was like a weird jellyfish thing to stack on top of each other. If you don't know their name, then I can't really help you with that. Well, better get moving then.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Oh, God. My babies, my blue babies. Hey, Squidiggly, are you here to steal my Are you here to steal my babies? No, not even a little bit. I'm here to warn you. What? One of your babies is gone. What? Yeah, I think Mushroom took it for some reason. I don't know. Yeah, he did that. Thank you for the heads up. I will be off. Wow, that was really easy. Come here.
Huh. Would you look at that? For 2 people that have barely moved this entire time, they sure accumulated a lot of marbles. In fact, they've accumulated all of them. That means that Team Search and Rescue is safe. Unfortunately, the other team, with all of their babies or something gone, is going to be up for elimination near... And there you have it, folks. Hey, why is everybody social distancing themselves from Squidiggly?
He did some weird things. I think he's getting smarter.
Yeah, he did kind of assault me earlier, but that's probably nothing. So, anyway, remember, you get 2 votes. One for, well, not one, but you can vote for Squidiggly, you can vote for Eraser, I don't know why you want to. You can vote for Fosh, which would be mean, or you could vote for Gilbert, which would be mean. There's only one correct vote here.
Why are you looking at me?
So, anyway, that's the end of a very chaotic episode. This was a lot of fun to film. Anyway, thanks for the support, everyone. Yada yada. Credit to Clunkus Grunkus or something for the challenge. I don't know. Goodbye. Near.